In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer data from Android to Poco C75. Open the Me Mover in Poco C75 and open the Play Store in Android. Search here Me Mover. I will simply tap on this application and install it. Me Mover is installed in my other Android device. I will simply open it. Tap on Agree. I want to transfer data from Android to Poco C75, so I will simply tap on New, tap to receive item. I will simply select the brand. I have already installed Me Mover in my other Android device, so I don't want to scan it. I will simply tap on Install. Now in other Android device, I will simply tap on Old, tap to send items. Allow the access. I have allowed all the permission. I will simply tap on Old again. Tap on Continue. Now again, I will simply tap on Old. Allow the Me Mover access. Now allow the changing system settings. I have allowed all the permission. Now it is searching for the nearby device. As you can see, Poco is showing. So I will simply tap on it. As you can see, my Android device is paired to Poco C75. From here, I can send the files. For example, I don't want to send third-party apps, so I will simply uncheck it. I will also uncheck the audio, video and documents and message contacts. Only I will send images, so I will simply tap on send. Now simply check these boxes. Tap on send. It is transferring the data. It will take some time. My data is transferred from old Android phone to new Poco C75. So this is how you can transfer data from Android to Poco C75. I hope this video helps you. Please like this video and subscribe the channel.